Here I have HUAWEI P30 and let me show you how to add a lock screen on the following device. So at first select the settings, then find and pick security and privacy, it's here, and then go to lock screen and passwords. And here just select lock screen password, so set lock screen password, and now you can enter your 6-digit long PIN. So for example, it can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have to confirm it one more time, so it's actually pretty obvious. And then you can use the PIN to unlock your device, and you can also add a fingerprint, but I will skip it for now. So just take a look now. If you lock your device, no one will be able to unlock it just by swiping. You have to enter this PIN code which you set. And now you've got the access to your device. If you would like to switch off this protection, if you would like to change the PIN code, just go to the settings. One more time, select security and privacy, go to lock screen password and change lock screen password. You have to enter the current one, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now I typed 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here you can disable lock screen password if you want to. Just tap on OK to do it, enter the current one. And as you can see, from now on, there is no protection. You can simply unlock your device just by swiping. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.